What's going on, everybody? So it's been a while. We're back once again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. We're just bringing you guys along our journey today, and then we got a full interior detail. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We're all finished up with this vehicle, and what we're gonna do, just for a little, extra for our clients, we're gonna go ahead and seal them off with the Bead Maker. It's a paint protection. Pretty good. There's two ways to apply it. Maybe next time in another video I can show you guys how to apply it. So you can do it two ways. You can spray it on your rag, or you can spray it on the surface of the vehicle, and it's easy to apply. Then you just wipe off. Get your dry side and just come back. From the water beads and the UV rays, it's not a ceramic, it's just a small layer of protection. Really effective. You want to give them a little something extra. This is the best way to do it, or one of the best ways, I should say. It's not going to break the bank, and it's going to leave your clients' cars shiny, protected for a short period of time until the next service. What's going on, everybody? So we're on vehicle number 2, and as you can see, this one's actually going to be our full interior detail. It's going to take us some time, and if you look over here, I'm actually going to show you guys the tools that we're going to be using today. So we actually been doing the Terminator and the carpet bomber method, and we actually like it. So we do have a carpet extractor, but because of this method, I'll show you guys how we do it. I think I might have showed you before. If you never missed it, I'll show you again. Or if you've never seen it, I should say, sorry. You'll see it here. But these are just the tools that we're going to use. No extractor needed. So we'll keep you guys posted. This is not the method, but we're just actually going with our drill brush. And we're actually starting to loosen up all the debris. So when we go ahead and hit it again with our vacuum, it's going to be a lot easier to pick up. So it's just loosening up all this stuff. I've done this before. If you haven't seen it, it's your first time here. This is the way that we like to shampoo our carpets. We would do the same method if it was on seats. This is the Terminator. What we like to do is spray this first. Give it a quick minute. I actually already sprayed it before camera. We let it sit for a little bit, and then of course you do see all the debris. We are still going to come back with our vacuum and take care of those areas. So you hit all the areas. Got a little brush for the treat areas there in the gap. What I'll do is I'll spray there, let it sit for a little bit. That area is pretty hard. We usually do have a steamer. This client here, she doesn't really like the steamer because are worried about the seats and things. So you're gonna see a lot of areas that we could have improved, but because, you know, at the end of the day we got to give what the client wants. You know, we don't have the steamer to take care of these hard to reach areas like the gunks inside the seat, things like that, you know, but we do what we can with our hand. And then, like I said, we come with our brush, we agitate the area right here with the dry rag, like a dry mop. You come behind and you hit your area. Not much there. And then you come, finish it off with your carpet bomber. Same thing, you missed it on your area. Let it sit. This area right here is actually kind of bothering me, so I'm gonna pick off that. I'll try. And then we'll do the same thing again. And then of course, one more time, we come with our vacuum at the end. We're gonna vacuum it all up. So we're gonna repeat that process throughout the whole vehicle. And then we're all finished up. We'll do touch-ups and then we're all finished up. Alright everybody, so that's our video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. See you guys soon.